What's up guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question from second chapter of Meriam textbook, and we have a compressive force F that is transmitted via the coupler arm AB to disk OA, and we need to develop the general expression for the N and T components of F as they act on the disk, and we need to evaluate the expression for two different conditions. First, we have our force 500 Newton, theta is 60 degrees, and our phi is 20 degrees. And in the B part, we have different values for F and the angles. So looking at this, we'll see that, so we have the angle phi in here, which means this angle in here is also phi. And that's gonna show that if this is our N and this is our T, our F would be something like this, and the angle right here will be theta plus phi. And if we want to show the NNT component, this will be our Fn, which is in the opposite direction of n, so will be negative, and this will be our Ft. So let's find our Ft and Fn based on the angle that we have, and after that we can just plug in the numbers that we have to different conditions into the answer. So first of all, we see that our Fn will be, as I said, it is negative since it's in the opposite direction of the n, and we have this angle here which is theta plus phi, and we can see that Fn will be cosine of that angle, so will be cosine of theta plus phi, and that would be our Fn, and our Ft would be simply F times sine of theta plus phi. And as I said, since our Ft is in the positive direction of our t, we have a positive sign in here. So that's the general formula that we have for Fn and Ft. We just need to plug in our numbers in two different conditions that we have. So A part, we have the F500, so minus 500 times cosine of 60 plus 20, which is 80, and that's gonna give us minus 86.8, and all the forces are in Newton, and our Ft will be 500 times sine of 80 degrees, and we will get 492.4 newtons. So that was the A part of the question. So in the B part, we have the same thing. Our Fn will be minus, so our F is 800 times cosine of 45 plus 150 degrees. So this will be 773 newtons. And since our cosine is a negative value too, we'll get a positive number at the end. And our Ft in here will be 800 times sine of 45 plus 150. Since it's the third quarter, both sine and cosine are negative, so we'll have a negative number in here too, and we're gonna get minus 207 newtons for this one. And that would be the final answer for this question. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and comments, and let me know if you have any specific problem from the three textbooks that we're covering in this channel, and we can cover that problem in the next videos. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.